So this is the Acura TL Type S. Sorry for the little bit of wind noise, but I'm gonna give you a little quick rundown on this car. You can see in the front of the car, we got them big Brembo brakes. Looks very nice. I also like the wheels as well. We come back here. Don't mind this. This doesn't come with the car. There's a little bit of body dysmorphia going on right there. Has a nice splitter.
Yeah, side splitter.
Side splitter. These are the back wheels. It doesn't come with the big Brembos at the back, just regular. Comes with a nice spoiler at the back. This is the back profile of the car. You got that double tips. Very nice. You also have back splitter. Very aggressive. You also have a nice wide body. I really love that on this car. The tail lights look immaculate. Type S badge right here. SH Super all-wheel drive. That's what they call it. Super all-wheel drive.
Yeah, super all-wheel drive.
Let me show you the headlights. Headlights are very clean, very immaculate. I love them. The grille, pretty nice grille. I just do not like how they do the badge like that.
It's got a radar sensor.
The engine, V6 motor, right? V6 turbo. They got a nice screen, I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. You also get a touchpad to operate it, almost like a computer. Comes with paddle shifters, red stitching, nice leather on the steering wheel. Steering wheel kind of feels a little bit lifeless, I'm not gonna lie. Almost like it's steered by wire. It probably is steered by wire, but if I'm wrong with that, let me know in the comments. So no gear shift, got buttons, drive, sport, neutral, R, P. You also get this black trim right here, silver trim, nice red leather stitching. Yes, it does. Got a little bit of stuff in here. Can hold. Got two outlets. Outlets over here. Aux. You got a nice phone charger here. You can see this phone's charging. Cup holders. Light right here when you open the door. They even went a step further and put light in the back. I love that. ELS Studio 3D speakers. Stitching in the back. These, a little bit cheap. You get very basic up, down, side, seat bolstering. With the cheap trim of plastic, I'm not a fan of that. Okay, open up. Gotta hold it, it looks like. Trunk space, very nice. Goes in pretty deep. You also get a brace, Type S. Brace in the back for handling. Nice. You get a splitter in the front. Very nice front bumper. Love the front fascia of this car. Hood looking very nice as well. A little bit of bumps. In sport mode.
Yeah, it's a Sport Plus. The shifts are clean, I can't lie. I always wish the exhaust was louder.
So overall, how does the handling feel?
Pretty good. Pretty good. Let me see.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good.
Feels a little bit heavy.
It's heavy, but it definitely holds. It's a heavier vehicle, but it definitely holds on the handling. That's for sure. Definitely.
Steering wheel feel?
Steering wheel is pretty precise.
Does it feel almost video game-ish?
No, more feels pretty precise. Like I would say,
like you can feel the road and it feels connected.
Yeah, you feel some feeling to the steering
Some.
wheel. Not the greatest, but
Makes sense.
Alright. We can shift happy, I tell you that. That's not even me doing it. That's all
Yes. I'm gonna give it a test. Give it a drive. I love how the graphics change for sport. Turn and hold, sport mode. Sport plus. Nice. I like that. Seatbelts first. Oh, I feel the kick out already. The reason why I said it kicked out, this specific car had a problem with all-wheel drive, and it wasn't gaining traction like an all-wheel drive car. It was almost like it was front wheel only. But this problem is only specific to this car because we went to go test drive another one same year and it didn't do that. The graphics for the camera is not it. I don't care, bro. That's not it.
Okay, at least you have a 360 camera.
Yeah, 360 camera plus graphics for your camera.
Hey man, I seen the high-end luxury cars have shitty camera too, so it doesn't it don't matter.
Oh, it doesn't let you shift up early. Whatever. A lot of cars do that nowadays. Don't want you to blow the engine.
Yeah, but it will automatically shift for you. That's the one thing I hate. Once they get the TCM unlocked, because it's locked right now, then I think that's when you'll be able to, you know what I mean? You can just choose how you want the shift. But right for now, it just, yeah. All right, get rid of beans.
Yeah, you feel that. You feel it. The brakes are tough. Really like the braking in this car. That's a plus.
Oh yeah, that's a good safety feature, dude.
Oh yeah, it just doesn't let you shift up. It doesn't want me to shift early. Even on up. Like, you know how you do fast shifting?
Yeah.
It doesn't want me to do it.
Yeah. That's the one first.
I feel it. I feel the front. The front was spinning.
I told you the wheels need spinning, man. The wheels
Definitely need better wheels for this car, bro.
Oh, better tires.
Better tires, yeah.
It's spinning, man. The torque actually like makes it like spin hard. Like you're just like
yeah, I'm holding. I'm just like, are we gonna go? Or we're just gonna keep spinning. Like for the brake boosting, unless it has. Does it have launch control? That was brake boost.
Well, you can tell on the all-wheel drive. You can see if all four of them are moving. If all four are moving, it's launching.
Makes sense. Does it have launch? Or you forgot?
I think it's just you just hold the brake and hit the gas like a normal
That's what
car.
I did. I let it build boost.
I don't think it has launch mode. I don't think.
So would I buy this car in 2024 as an ultimate daily car that's gonna be reliable? Yes. Now, would I buy it over an M340i or maybe even an M3? No. I feel like for the top of the line car, I feel like it needs more power. Now you might say, you know what, power is not everything, but I'm paying $65,000 brand new. And that's Canadian, by the way, because I live in Canada. Used, yes, I could justify buying it. You can pick up one of these used around 30 to 40K. So would I pick this up for a daily? Absolutely. The styling is a 10 out of 10 on this car. But personally, because I don't want to hear none of y'all in the comments saying, oh, no, I have a problem with its power. At least give us 400 horsepower. Q50s are beating us. You gotta be real. But at the same time, an argument can be made that 300 horsepower is more than enough for the street, which is true. Guys, if you like the Acura Type S, make sure to comment down below. Anyways, guys, NMI, NAC out.